Thank you, Joe. Thousands are still without power, particularly in Bedford County tonight.
Yeah, shelters like one at the Heinemann Rescue Squad building are opening their doors to take in folks that are left in the dark. Our Colleen Knudsen was at that shelter all day today. She joins us now live with more on what neighbors are saying about that outage. Colleen.
Yeah, guys, while crews continue to work to replace damaged power lines and utility poles, folks here are left in the dark. The Heinemann Rescue Squad opened their warming center early Monday morning. It quickly became an overnight shelter for folks without power and heat.
Some come and go, but we're going to be here as long as we need.
Bob Walls, Heinemann Borough's emergency management coordinator, says many homes in the area have electric heat, including his own.
Actually, I brought my family along, and my wife is actually using our building to actually do her job today, so that way people are being taken care of.
Heinemann residents Steve and Gail Atlas came to the shelter around lunchtime for a hot meal and internet access. They say you don't realize how much you rely on electricity until you don't have it anymore.
We don't live in a non-electric world, no matter what you say. It does get cold, but cold is not critical. You can always crawl under a blanket. But it's nice for people whose heat doesn't work, who get tired of eating cold sandwiches, to have a place to be.
Now, Bedford County officials tell me folks could be without power until tomorrow. Now, if you or anyone you know is without power and needs a place to stay, the Heinemann Rescue Squad has food, beds, and electricity. In Heinemann, I'm Colleen Knudsen, WTAJ News.
Thanks, Colleen.